and look at this new word, polymorphic invocation, ref.start. Now in simple English we can say that using parent class reference we call the method, and that method will be called based on content of ref. This is a simple English language explanation, simple explanation in English. But if you want to technically explain somewhere or what language is being used in the industry is polymorphic invocation, because what is happening here is polymorphism. Lead binding means polymorphism. So this is polymorphic invocation. So you also slowly try to use this language instead of simple language, polymorphic invocation. That will be impressive during interview. Okay, now there is one discussion over here based on this same example. So this is course demo. Then that today's discussion has course demo 1. Course demo 1. Course demo 1. Java course demo will be okay. Okay, let's see what is new or what is different in course demo 1. Okay, so class course void start, DAG DBDA extends course. Now here along with start, DAG DBDA has got its own method orientation. Introduction to faculty members and Vikram sir's session. So now one question arises here, why this method orientation is not there in course?
It's just a different method.
Because every course does not have an orientation. Only DAG DBTA being a special batch, special course, it has got orientation. That's why orientation is there only in DAG DBTA. It's not there in MSCIT. See, MSCIT simply overrides that start method. Okay. Now, given this scenario, look at perform. Look at the argument. It's written. Ref.start is there. Polymorphic invocation, like last example. But then, look at that comment. Here, I would like to invoke orientation also along with the start method. But when DAG comes, ref.orientation. So can I say ref.orientation? Just now in that demo 27 example, we saw that we could not call print. Base ref is equal to new sub, ref.print we could not call because print was not there in base class. Same scenario here. If you want to call orientation along with start, you can't call on ref. Why? Bolu, why?
Because it is not in main.
Not present in all classes.
Ref is of type course And orientation is not then the course, so we can't call. But then we want to call. Call to karna hi hai.
By using super.
So call orientation method instead start. Right.
Call orientation method instead
With
start.
right.
नहीं वैसा नहीं करना है, because there is something called as what you can say maintenance. If you call orientation in start, you are actually tight coupling start and orientation methods, which is a bad idea. Because tomorrow if I need to change orientation, I should be able to concentrate only in orientation without disturbing start and vice versa. तो एक दूसरे में call नहीं करने.
Sir, we can do like whenever we want to perform any operation DAG DBDA, we can change the reference type.
जैसे
This is conversion, sir. From ref course to DAG DBDA.
So we can create an object whose reference, is same as content.
ओके, यहाँ पे एक काम करते हैं, डायग्राम वी विल ड्रॉ. What is happening in this example? We have ref. That ref is of type course. Is of type course. When that DBDA object we pass, that means first it is created. So DAG DBDA. So when we pass DAG DBDA, this reference contains object of address of DAG DBDA, upcasting. Ref.start, start method of DAG DBDA. When we pass MSCID, so MSCID object gets created. And that MSCID object we pass in the ref, so 2000 will go. And ref will refer to this. Ref will not refer to this. Okay, so that way ref.start. So start method of MSCID gets called. Now what is the requirement is we would like to call orientation when DBDA comes, DAG DBDA comes. So that is just a question here, course demo 1 में. Start of DAG DBDA, start of MSCID. So course demo 1 just asked you question, मुझे ये करना है ref.orientation, कैसे करूँ?
Creating another reference that is pointing to the same object of the same type.
हाँ, बढ़ते आगे एक एक step. See, first we started with course demo, उसके बाद course demo 1, अभी course demo 2 है. Course demo 2. Course demo, okay. हाँ, तो in course demo 2, you will get the solution. course start, DAC-DBDA start, void orientation. Here I would like to invoke orientation along with the start method. Ref.orientation not possible. This point should be very clear, huh? Because based on that the next discussion is there. Okay, now here just 1 minute, because here direct solution is given, so I would like to course demo 2_a. This is just for discussion, huh? Actual file has got solution also. So here course demo 2a, I would like to invoke orientation. Ref.orientation not possible. So the other way is this. DAC-DBDA OB is equal to new DAC-DBDA. We create object and we say orientation. Now, first of all, think yourself. Take your time if you want. Will this compile? Will this compile? Just look at that highlighted area. Will this compile?
Both are compiled.
DAC-DBDA OB is equal to new DAC-DBA and OB dot orientation. Will that compile?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now I will run that example. Start DAC-DBDA introduction and Vikram sir session. That means when we pass new DAC-DBDA, DAC-DBDA goes here. Ref.start means DAC-DBDA start method got called, and then we create object of DAC-DBDA and call orientation. So according to this program, even though we get output, but output is not important. Always remember what has happened. Let me explain you in the diagram. In the main function, when you say new DAC-DBDA, now understand this point, huh? Because if you don't understand this point, there's no point in discussing the actual solution. DAC-DBDA's object you create, okay? Simply getting output is not important. DAC-DBDA. Okay, so when you pass the object, you collect that object in a reference. Huh? Reference is of what type? Course type. So always write type on the top of that reference. Always when you draw the diagram of reference and object, write type of that reference on the top of that reference name. Okay. Yeah, so it will refer to 2000. So we can say course reference refers to DAC-DBDA. Using that reference, when you call start of DAC-DBDA will be called. And then here, just to make that orientation call possible, you are creating object of DAC-DBDA somehow and calling that orientation. But when you create object of DAC-DBDA, when you create object of that DAC-DBDA, your reference is OB. Your reference is OB. Now, on which object you have called start? Ref.start. That means you call start method on this object. Start on this object. And on which object you have called orientation, just for the sake of compiling and running the code. कुछ तो solution provide किया है. DAC-DBDA OB.orientation. That means you called orientation on this. Orientation on this. Orientation on this. Now, even though your program compiles, you get output, look at the diagram and think, is it correct, whatever has happened?
No.
यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? This batch you started and you did orientation of this batch. There's no meaning at all. You have to do orientation of that batch which you have started in the main function. So orientation should be called on this object only, not a new object. So that's why I'm saying your program compiles and you get output. That's not sufficient. Orientation shouldn't be on new object. Orientation should be exactly on that object which you have passed from main function or which you have created in the main function. तो वो नहीं हो रहा है. एक बैच स्टार्ट किया, दूसरे बैच का ओरिएंटेशन किया, ऐसे नहीं होता है ना. It doesn't happen that way. So even though we get output here, even though program compiles, it's meaningless. This code is meaningless. First, take your own time to understand this point that whatever has happened here is meaningless. ये समझ में आया तो we will discuss the solution. Okay, clear? Huh? So shall we go ahead? I repeat, this code is meaningless because we start one course and we start one batch, in fact, DAC-DBDA ka, and we do orientation of another batch. So that does not have meaning. We should do orientation of that batch which we have started. So on the same object, we have to call orientation. But our problem is, now the problem is this code is useless. this code is useless. Huh? We have to call orientation of this object only, which is coming from main. But our problem is ref.orientation we can't say syntactically, which is wrong. So how can we call orientation of that object itself? So here, post demo 2. Post demo 2 has that solution. What is the solution? You know, creating separate object of DAG-DBDA of no use. Huh? So you want to call orientation of that object which is coming from main. So how can you do that? You can convert, now ref.orientation you can't say, that will not compile. So you convert that ref into DAG-DBDA. You convert that ref into DAG-DBDA. So ref is of parent type and DAG-DBDA is child. So you are going from parent to child. Remember I told you before break, when you go from child to parent, it is called as upcasting. यहाँ पे right hand side पे parent है, left hand side पे child है. So actually you are going from parent to child. That's why it is called as downcasting. That's why it is called as downcasting. And now ob.orientation.
Child to parent, sir.
हाँ, चाइल्ड टू पैरेंट अपकास्टिंग हुआ, पैरेंट टू चाइल्ड जा रहा है ना, यहाँ पे ये पैरेंट है ना, राइट हैंड साइड पे देखो, रेफ इज ऑफ टाइप कोर्स एंड दैट कोर्स टाइप यू कन्वर्ट टू DAG-DBD. सो पैरेंट टू चाइल्ड, डाउनकास्ट. Just 1 minute before I give you time, let me explain this point. What happens here? What happens here? I will rub this diagram. Okay, as per this code, what happens? Just pay attention once again. First, you create DAG-DBDA. So DAG-DBDA object will be created, and then you pass that object to ref. So ref, which is the reference, of course, refers to DAG-DBDA, and you call start. So you call start on this object. Now exactly on this object, we have to call orientation. But our problem, I repeat, is we can't say ref.orientation. Neither we can say ref.orientation, that will not compile, nor we can create separate object and call orientation, though that will compile, but it's of no use because you are calling orientation on different batch, different object, so it's of no use. So what we are doing here, we are converting ref, which is of course type, to DAG-DBDA. So that is downcasting. So downcasting में, if you just leave this bracket, अगर ये bracket को छोड़ोगे, तो DAG-DBDA OB is equal to ref. उसका meaning क्या हुआ? Already we have discussed this point in our basic Java discussion.
Was the reference pointing to the same
object
object?
where
Refer is pointing, and now it is a pointing OB.
object will refer where ref is referring.
Correct. OB is a reference, will refer to that object where ref refers to. OB is a reference, will refer to that object where ref refers to. So in the diagram, I will draw OB. I told you, whenever, in case of these programs especially, whenever you draw the diagram, just write what type of reference that is. कौन सा टाइप का है, तो टाइप कौन सा है, DAG DBDA। DAG DBDA का, हाँ? Now we are saying OB will refer to that object where ref refers to. Ref refers to that 2000. So OB also will refer to 2000. When I say OB refers to 2000, look at the diagram. OB is a reference of DAG DBDA, refers to object of DAG DBDA. OB, reference of type DAG DBDA, refers to the object of DAG DBDA. And in that case, when we say OB dot orientation, which orientation will be called? That object orientation will be called where OB refers to. So OB refers to this. So that means this object orientation will be called. Yeah. Now look at the code. This is something different.
Sir, in a previous example, there was a problem with a dot reference. But हम लोग यहाँ पे if condition use करके कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं क्या? How can that problem be solved with if previous program?
एक अगर प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम में ओरिएंटेशन था वो अगर नहीं चाहिए था, यस नहीं चाहिए था तो भी हम लोग को बार बार रिपीट हो रहा था, बट ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन लगा सकते हैं क्या? अगर मैं न्यू डैक डीबीडे ऑब्जेक्ट पास करा तो ही जाके वो ओपी डॉट ओरिएंटेशन एग्जीक्यूट होगा?
हाँ वो बाद में, नहीं वो बाद में, एक मिनट रुको। यहाँ पे एक सिनेरियो है, ये है कि मेन से डैक डीबीडे ही पास कर रहे हैं, बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी आर डिस्कसिंग।
ओके ओके,
आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल डिस्कस मेन से अगर एमएससीआईटी पास किया तो क्या होगा, वो उसके लिए टाइम, स्टेप बाय स्टेप। ये हाँ, and diagram is also there. Without diagram you cannot understand anything, huh? So during your revision also you draw diagram.